Hello, people. Just trying to give a heads up to anybody looking for this problem. My neighbor's son came to me with an issue of his John Deere D110 tractor not starting correctly. It would crank and get stuck on compression. I did the normal things. I did a valve adjustment, checked all the odds and ends, make sure it was in time, that the whole 9 yards there, and it would still, battery was brand new, it would crank, and as soon as it hit compression, it would just stop dead. Rebuilt the starter thinking it was that, and it wasn't. So doing a little bit of research, I found out that these tractors some of them have bad cams in them. So what I ended up doing is, to make it easier, it's got a 19.5 horse Briggs and Stratton overhead valve engine. I ended up just ripping the engine right out of the tractor because it's a lot easier to work on the bench, obviously, because you have to take the pan off. It only took a few minutes. It literally only took me 10 minutes to pull the engine out of this. So let's come over here. I will show you what had happened. I got the crankcase all pulled apart. As you can see, the cam is out, right? Here, don't mind my messy bench. It's a mess. I'm not the cleanest guy working. But here's the camshaft, right? It's all good. I found this laying in the bottom of the crankcase. Look at that. This is the flyweight for the decompression on the cam. I didn't find the other part yet. This is the only part that I found. I still have to go and look in there a little bit. But if you have one of these engines, it's a Briggs and Stratton. Let's see here. If I can lift it up. It's a John Deere 19.5 horse Briggs and Stratton engine, overhead valve. I have the new cam right here. Let's see. I should have got it out before I started the video. I know. But I ordered this off Amazon. It was $71 or $80, something like that. And here's the new one. The new camshaft, everything you need. And look right here. See? This is the flyweight for the decompression. And as you can see right there, it turns that little pivot, which opens up the exhaust valve, and is what helps you start the engine. Now, from what I'm reading, once this hits 300 RPM, this flyweight slides out like that, and your engine runs normal. So, well, just a quick tip, if anyone runs into that problem, you know what to look for. And literally, it only took, a half an hour to rip this thing apart, so it's not very difficult. Don't be afraid. Nothing's gonna, as long as you tip it up like this, drain the oil out of it, nothing's gonna fly out. So, all right. Any questions? Feel free to comment below. Thanks.